Hi friends, today in this video, we will learn how to create snaking animation in GSAP first. Kindly write the basic properties of HTML and link the external CSS file to it. We will create 20 circle shaped box. For this, create 20 div inside body. Now, we will integrate the GSAP CDN to HTML web page. Now, set the default value of margin and padding to 0. Then, change background color of page to black and apply flex properties in it. Now, we will shape all the div into circles and set its color to orange. Now, we will start write GSAP properties. We will assign keyframes into div. Set ease between each keyframes to none. Now, set the value of all div to render itself with the x-axis and y-axis. And also, set the value of size and opacity, which may vary at different positions. Now, set the color of div will be changed at each intervals. Now, set the total duration and staggers among div. You can see, it's working. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks.